Okay, students, welcome back. So we'll be doing number 5 sums regarding density of a crystal in the chapter called solid state. Let us see the question which came in 2016. Okay, a compound AB has a simple cubic structure and has molecular mass 99. The density is 3.4 grams per centimeter cube. What will be the age length of the unit cell? For this question in the book, answer is given as 360 pm. I repeat again. For this question, the answer is given in the book is 360 pm, that is picometer. Though the question has not said you to find the answer in picometer, but still the answer in the book is in picometer. You can leave it in centimeter also. Okay, the answer given by the book is 360 picometer. Now let us solve this sum. Density is given 3.4, I wrote here. Molecular mass M is given 99. Now, Z is what? Whether it's simple, primitive or body center or face center. Now you can see here it's written simple cubic structure means simple cubic unit cell. So the Z value will be what? 1 because SCC means simple cubic unit, Z is 1. If it is BCC, I could have written here 2. If it is FCC, I will be writing here is 4. But what if lattice was not mentioned? What if this was not mentioned? Simple cubic lattice is not mentioned, suppose. Now what will be the case here? In this case, density remains same, molecular mass remains same. Now Z, how to find? Nothing is mentioned. It's SCC, I have to write 1, BCC, I'll write 2, FCC, I'll write 4 here. But if nothing is mentioned, students, you have to see the formula of the compound. In the formula of the compound, you can see AB, total how many atoms? 1A, 1B, total 2. So in place of Z, I'll be writing it as 2. So students, if nothing is mentioned here, whether it's simple, primitive, body center or face center, if nothing is mentioned here, students, then what we have to do, we have to see the formula. AB, total A and B total 2, so I'll write here 2. Suppose if it is AB3, suppose if it is AB3, I'll write A and 3 total 4 here. Okay, so students do remember now on that if the cubic unit cell is not mentioned, we go with the formula. In the formula, we check the number of atoms. If it is 2, we write here 2. If it is 1, we write here 1. If it is 3, we write here 3. But right now in this question, it is mentioned simple cubic lattice or structure. Simple cubic structure was mentioned. So therefore, it will be 1. So that time we go with this. Suppose if this was not mentioned, simple cubic structure was not mentioned, I could have taken Z as 2 from the formula 1A, 1B total 2, so it will be 2. Now the question is saying us to find is what? Age length. And since density formula, the formula is rho is equals to gemna, and here what we have to find is A, age length. So I'll bring this A cube up and rho down. So it will be like this then. Now A cube is here, Z value is 1, molecular mass is 99, N means Avogadro number which is here, and rho is density which is 3.4. Now when you multiply these two, you will get 99, and if 10 to the power 23 goes up, becomes 10 to the power minus 23. And if you multiply these two numbers, you will get 20.478. Now when you divide these two numbers, students, you will get is 4.83, and 10 to the power 23 is already here. So that means we got A cube as 4.83 into 10 to the power 23, okay, in 10 to the power 24. A cube value is this much. I am writing here. Now if you see here was 23, how come it became 24 here? What I have done is, I have taken this decimal one step back and I have put here 24. So it will become 48.3 into 10 to the power 24. If you want to recheck, what you do, you take out 1 from here. So 10 to the power 23 it will become 1 taking out means 10 to the power minus 1. That goes down, and if you divide with this, that is 10, you will get 4.83. So we got A cube value. Now, do you have to find A cube volume or age length? Age length. So when you have to find age length, this cube will go this side. I repeat again, when you have to find age length, this cube will go this side and becomes cube root. Becomes what, students? Cube root of this whole thing. Now, how to do with the help of calculator? Type cube root in your calculator, then open bracket 48.3 into, how to bring this 10? Shift and log. Press shift, then press log. So when you press shift and log, 10 to the power minus 24 will come, okay, as 10 will come, then you type minus 24, bracket close. Then equal to, if you press, you get this value. I repeat again, if cube goes that side, becomes cube root. So type cube root in your calculator, open bracket you type, 48.3 you type, into you type. Now how to get this? By typing shift and log. 10 to the power will come, then type minus 24, then bracket close, press equal to, you get this much. Since the answer is in picometer, students, now we got the answer in centimeter because age length we always get initially in centimeter. Now to convert to picometer, you know that here has to be minus 10. So when you make here minus 10, this point will come 2 step back. So it will become 364 into 10 to the power minus 10. Again you can recheck back. Take out 2 from here, it will become 10 to the power minus 8. So what we have taken out from here is 10 to the power minus 2, which goes down becomes 10 to the power 2, which means 100. And when you divide with this, you get this much only. Now you know 364 is here, and this means what? Picometer. So write 364 picometer. So the answer of the book given in the book is 360, but we are getting 364 picometer, students. So this answer given by the book is wrong. Do remember, this is the right answer. So answer should be 364 picometer, students. And this is how we solve the sum. And do remember, student, if cubic unit cell is not mentioned, we write Z with the help of the formula. 2, so 2. If it is AB3, A1, B3, so it will be 4 like that. But if the thing is mentioned, simple cubic unit cell, body, face center, that time it will be 1, 2 and 4. Now we go to number 6 question. There is a unit of NaCl who has 4 molecular units. 4 means what? FCC. So Z is FCC, so 4. Now age length is given this much nanometer. Now in this sum it is not given in picometer, instead of picometer it is given in nanometer. So 0.564 nanometer. 0.564 nanometer. So this I am keeping as it is, you can see here. This I am keeping as it is. And nanometer, how to convert to centimeter? By multiplying with 10 to the power minus 7. And I always keep this as minus 8. So what we have to do? We have to take this point one step back. When you do so, here 10 to the power minus 8 will come. You can recheck back. If you take out minus 1 from here, it will become minus 7. And that minus 1 goes down, becomes 10 to the power 1, which means 10. If you divide with this, you get the same value. So we got the age length in centimeter, keeping 10 to the power minus 8. Always try to make age length power as 10 to the power minus 8. Now molecular mass, because NaCl is a compound. So how to find molecular mass? You should remember that sodium is 23, chlorine is 35.5. Sometimes atomic mass will not be given. So you should remember sodium as 23 and your chlorine is 35.5. When you add, you get 58.5. Now you have to find its density. The formula of density is this one, students. Rho is equals to gemna. Z is 4. Molecular mass is 58.5. You can see from here. Z is 4. Avogadro number is this much, you should be knowing. And age length is given 5.64 into 10 to the power minus 8 whole cube. When you multiply these two, you get 234, students. This is as it is, this is as it is. Now, if you multiply 5.64 3 times, 5.64, 5.64, 5.64, it will come 179.4, students. And minus 10 to the power minus 8 is what? 24, students. Now, this one is up only, you can see, this one is up only. When you multiply this and this, these two, if you multiply, you will get is 1080.56. 1080.56 you get when you multiply these two. Now solving the power, this and this if you solve, 10 to the power 23 minus 10 to the power minus 24 will give you 10 to the power minus 1. And if that 10 to the power minus 1 goes up, become 10 to the power 1, which is 10. And if with that 10, if you multiply this, you get is this much. You have just multiplied this with 10. So you get this much. Now when you divide these two, students, you get 2.166. And the unit of density is gram per centimeter cube, students. So this is how we solve the sum of the density formula of crystal, students. So far I have explained you about 6 sums. If you see the previous class and before that class, so total we have done 6 sums of different varieties. So if you want, you can take the screenshot of it for your reference, students.